transparent. Nice. And we're still driving to Hoover Dam. We just stopped maybe like 10 minutes ago at In-N-Out. Casino up to points. Free. That's it. Security check. Prepare to stop. Close.
Let me see if it has filters.
That's all you care about, those damn filters. Here we go. Reduce speed. Oh, that's it over there? No, that's not it.
Yeah, that's it. This is it.
Over there?
I think so, yeah.
Or over there?
All they have where it says Boulder City, Nevada. That's it. One little thing. They don't have Hoover Dam or nothing.
Or are we about to get on it?
Whenever I seen it, whatever I seen, I know I wasn't impressed. That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm impressed about this little big old bridge. It's fucking huge.
No, I'm never impressed.
I know. That's it right there.
Oh, yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, that's it. I remember. That's it. All right there. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
How can you not be impressed with that? Hey, do you want her to fucking dance or something? Or
I want it more. I want more. I want more.
There's parking at $7 right here. $10. Unless you want to cross the thing. No charge. Or, it's gonna go straight.
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right, Hoover Dam.
Where are you gonna park at, Adrian?
Closer. So we finally have done. We're done getting to Hoover Dam. We just got here. We just got to Hoover Dam. It's humongous, guys. Never been out here. And Jessica's ready to take some pictures. So that's what you're seeing next. So what do you think so far?
Well, I'm liking my pictures, how they're coming out.
So we're just finished taking out pictures. Check this out, man. This is a nice looking view. And this is how it looks going down. I'm gonna have to hold my camera very tight.
Don't drop your phone.
Oh snap! It is crazy.
I know all those good pictures and you drop your phone. Oh.
And that's a bridge, and at the very top, you're gonna see some people. Those are people right there. Walking. It's crazy. That bridge is huge too. From I don't know how many feet up. Look at how small the cars are.